Hey guys, this is Pyle waterproof and Bluetooth speaker 5.25 inch indoor and outdoor speaker system. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this to your mobile phone via Bluetooth. You need to go to your phone settings, go to connections, switch Bluetooth on, and the Bluetooth is on, then select Bluetooth. Now you look for Pyle audio, select Pyle audio, and it's connected. And once it's connected, you see a light here. It's showing us red light. Now we're going to test the audio using upbeat sound. Thank you very much indeed. I'm happy with this speaker. It deserves your attention. Very powerful. Thank you and stay blessed. Thank you.